Hi guys, it's Laura with another ClickFix video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you two of the ways in which you can use the hide column and show column shortcode. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. So I'm in one of our templates in the Ontraport page builder, and here I have a block with a menu, and as you can see I duplicated the same block so I can use one with a mobile menu. So this block has 2 columns which don't appear when you first open the page. So here you can see the 2 columns where the login and the join us buttons are. Those are hidden when you first enter the page, and using the hide column shortcode, I can hide those 2 columns, and when the user clicks on the first button, which is a show mobile button, they can then see those 2 columns, and when they click on the close button, then the columns get hidden again. So this shortcode is very useful to create mobile menus, but I'm also going to show you another way in which you can use it. In another template, and here we have a frequently asked question block in which if the user clicks on one of the buttons, then they can see another column which has the answer. So the button is the question and the element below it is the answer. So the way I did this is I went ahead and created a code for that. And first, in the first line, I am hiding all of the columns that have all the answers. And then I can see the number of the columns using the ClickFix Chrome extension. So in the first line, I am hiding all of the text elements. And then if the user clicks on question number 1, then the rest of the elements remain hidden, but the column which contains their answer gets displayed. And then I did the same thing for the rest of the questions or the buttons. So this is very useful to create toggle boxes or slides or interactive stuff on the Ontraport page. I hope that you find these 2 ways to use the hide and show columns useful,
and thanks for watching.